Geospatial channel. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to download free topographic map from Survey of India. So once you have opened your browser, just type in Survey of India and just hit the button search, and you can find the website surveyofindia.gov.in. So this is the website from which we are going to download the topographic map, which is available for at a free of cost. Then you can find the option map service. Under that you can find the option online maps portal. So both free and purchase version is available here. So the most important thing is that we need to just sign in with the Survey of India online maps portal. After that we can download the maps for free. So once you have signed in, go to the option products and come down to the option open series map, and it's been provided in a PDF format, and we need to just click to buy. Actually it's just a free of cost. You can just click there, and once you have clicked in, you can easily find out the Toposheet for your desirable region. So that can be done through first selecting of the state. So here in this example I'm going to show you the Tamil Nadu state. So I need to download the Toposheet for Chennai, and you can see here, so these are the Toposheet which are available for download, and just we need to select it. For example, I am just selecting this. Once you have selected the option select, so we have selected this Toposheet, so which has been shown here. This is the number of the Toposheet, and just we need to click on the option download. Once we have clicked on download, we need to just type in the captcha, and just agree with the privacy policy of the Survey of India and just give OK, so that the file will be downloaded. So you can see here the file has been successfully downloaded, and this is the file. So you can see here, so this is the file which we have downloaded, and I'm just showing you in detail. So this is just a small region. Likewise you can download for the nearby regions using the adjacent Toposheet you can find, and you can just select which Toposheet you need and download it pretty much easily. So if you have any doubts, you can just ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching Geospatial. Goodbye.